Business environments are evolving faster than ever. It is important for individuals to keep up the pace to meet both personal and professional demands. This qualification is aimed at learners who wish to enhance their skills in their current employment or any new potential administrative roles. It also helps you get into higher education. At the end of this course, you'll be able to understand some of the key jargons that are used across the business environment. The course consists of mandatory and optional units. There are 12 units which will be delivered in 4 different milestones. First milestone: communicate in a business environment. Develop a presentation software. Deliver a presentation. Manage personal and professional development. Second milestone: produce business documents. Word processing software. Create bespoke business documents. Third milestone: principles of business. Principles of administration. Fourth milestone: principles of leadership and management. Principles of business communication and information. We hope you enjoy your journey with us. Let's get started.